Assalamu alaikum. This is a long awaited training center, AMCO SKILL Bangladesh ASB, first poly trade training center in Bangladesh. So this is our entrance area. So let's have a look inside what we have, what facilities we have. So actually this is the car parking area and entry area. And this is the setup for the delegations teams to wait. And our staff settings, those will prepare the documentations. And this is the area for the waiting room. So there can wait around 300 people at a time for the interview and for the training. So let's have a look our first classroom outside. So this is our first classroom. This is not ready yet. This is a very big classroom. You can see here we can train 120 students at a time. This is the outside view of our civil sections and waiting zone of the training center. Let's have a look inside. So this is the main part of our training center, and this is the delegation setup for taking interview. And this side you can see we have the scaffolding setup, and this side we have spray painting, airless spray painting setup, and the shuttering carpeting setup as well. And then other sides we have the mason setups. Here you can see we can take 32 people's interview and training at a time. And these setups for the steel fixing. Here also we can train and take interview 32 people's at a time. This is the steel fixing board, display board. Now let's have a look inside our mechanical sections, welding sections. So this is the delegation sitting area, and this is the first side of the training. And in the first tin we have the MIG setup. It's the most advanced MIG machines in the market we have available with us. So at a time we can train 10 MIG students, and this is for the fabrications. And they are also the most advanced machines we have. And there we have total 26 setups, so we can train 26 and take interview 26 fabricators in this area. Now let's have a look or another part of this welding sections. So this is our second part of the welding section, and this is total multi-welder setups, so that we can train TIG and arc all together. Those are 6Z welders. There we have total 36 setups. Here we can train and develop and take interview here at a time, and we have most advanced machines here available in the Bangladesh market. So these preparations are for the best skill to develop from the Bangladesh. We have a lot of candidates, and this is the board for the instructions. This is the whiteboard. So let's have a look inside our office and the delegation room and the other electricals and other rooms. This is our main office area. You can see here we have the delegations room, and we have the mechanical rooms. So let's have one by one. This is the first delegations room, so they can rest here and take verbal interview. And another one is the second one, delegations room, so they can take interview here and discuss and wait. So this is actually our office use for the office room, and this is for our teachers waiting area and our executives. Now have a look our second floor. Actually these sides will be decorated for the hospitality management, but this is not done yet. But this section is done. This is for the computer training. So here we can train 20 people at a time, so also can take interview. Now have a look our another side, and this is for our teachers area, teaching area. Here our teachers will train them verbally, and there will be the practical. This is our third floor. This area as well, the training area, the teaching area, and this area actually the practical area. This arrangement for the electrical department as the teachers room and teachers area and the delegations area. And this is for the verbal test, and those arrangements are for the practical test. Here we can take test and train around 30 people at a time. Now let's have a look at another room, which is the plumbing room and mechanical room. This is actually our plumbing room. This is for the plumbing practicals, and these are the instruments displayed in the board. These table are also for the practical. And there will be installed another departments, which is duct insulations, duct man, duct fabricators, all these things. So this is actually our available trade testing area and training area. Let's have a look inside our residential area for the students, because we are arranged. Still it's not ready yet, but still I want to show. This is actually rest area, and this is the total area. Here we are arranging for the accommodations of 250 people to stay in our in-house, our training center. So actually this is the all facilities we have. And other things we have the showroom and the workshop and the kitchen area and the store and the other restroom as well. Thank you.